Within TimesManager, a timekeeper or user is defined as anyone who uses the system. To create a new timekeeper, go to Settings, click on Timekeepers, then Add Timekeeper. Enter the user's first and last name, and the system will automatically create a display name as well as a unique timekeeper code to assist you in finding slips created by the specified timekeeper. Continue by entering their general and address details. Then in the Others Details section, you will need to indicate whom the user reports to, the user's default billing rate, which is the hourly rate that clients will be charged, and the salary rate. All of this is useful information when performing management analysis. The next step is to decide what the user's access rights will be. This is role-based and will determine things like whether or not a user can create new users, create invoices, or make and receive payments. Complete the creation of the new user by uploading an image and either clicking Save if you're done entering users, or Save and New if you have additional users you would like to add. Your new timekeeper will receive an email inviting them to the system, and the account will be billed accordingly.